Hi friends and welcome. Today we're going to be making omena. We're basically going to fry it and then turn it into a wonderful stew, which we're going to finish with some lemon. So let's get started. And before we start, if you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So you're going to need 2 cups of omena, some hot water, tomatoes, lemon, garlic, that's optional, bell pepper or hoho, tomato paste, salt, fresh chilies or chili flakes, that's also optional. If you do not like your food spicy, then by all means leave it out, cooking oil, curry powder, and some chopped onion. And first, you always want to start by checking your omena for stones. Most of the times it comes with hidden debris, stones, you name it. I've already checked mine, but I highly recommend that you do not skip doing that. Otherwise, you may end up eating stones and that is not so nice. Next, we're just going to soak as well as clean the omena using hot water. And as you can see, the water is not clean. You just want to repeat the process about 2 or 3 times until clean. So I'm just going to sieve this. Next, you want to dice your tomatoes. I like to blend mine just because it's quicker, but you can just chop them finely if that is what you like. So next, we're just going to fry the omena in a pan so it dries out the liquid and also gets flavor. This looks nicely fried, so I'm just going to set it aside and prepare the stew. You can fry it a bit longer if you prefer yours crunchier. First, you want to heat oil in a pot or pan. You then want to fry the onions until golden brown. Next, you just want to add in the garlic and cook until the garlic is fragrant. Next, add in the coriander stems first. We'll use the leaves to garnish later before serving. Add the curry powder. Add in the chili flakes. You can use fresh chilies if you like, or leave it out if you do not like your food spicy. Next, I'm adding in the tomatoes and the tomato paste. I'm going to give it a good mix. Cover, reduce the heat to low, and allow the tomatoes to cook until much of the liquid has reduced. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in the omena. And the bell pepper. If you like it to be more stewy, then you can add about 1/3 cup of water, just so you have a bit of sauce. You can also use milk or coconut milk for this for a more creamier taste. And then you just want to cover this and allow it to simmer for a couple of minutes. Just before we serve it, we're going to squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. I'm using 1/4 of a lemon, but mine is big, so you can use 1/2 of a lemon if your lemon is small. And our fried omena stew is ready to be served.